The fish. You're a ferret. How you doing? I'm doing pretty alright. I'm doing alright. I got a call from job. I start training on Monday. I have to drive an hour. I have to drive an hour to get to where I need to go for training. How can job call you? This is a concept. No, but job I'm getting. The people who run job. An hour drive is insane. Yeah, but the store I'm going to be working at isn't actually like open yet. So it's like I'm like driving for like an hour to get to the I have to drive an hour to get to the other store. And then they like pay me back for how far I drove. And then after the other store opens, that's the one that I'm actually going to be working at.
Freak.
It's only like an 8-minute drive. It's only like an 8-minute drive. Which is way better. Way better.
A nasty little circus freak.
Damn, this employment would be crazy. Yeah, because they haven't opened the fucking store yet. They're still getting it like ready or whatever. All right. I got some fake Pringles over here. Want some, twin? I don't really like Pringles. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like Pringles. You shall perish. Why? Why? That's so mean. That's so mean of you. I need to look at the Subnautica 2 early access roadmap. They got game out, quality of life update is up next. Biomod system, blight encounters, Rex gameplay, vehicle docking and fabrication, PDA databank, voice logs priority system, planned edition, more passive biomod slots, storage cache, and sprint. And then co-op centric update, improvements to HUD, base builder, pinned recipes, planned additions of voice chat, emotes, player trading, player revive, and additional customizations. And then future major expansion updates. New region, expand the world, new biomes, new creatures, new resources, new tools, new vehicle, next chapter of the story. Fuck yes. Docking? True. That's a lot of new stuff. Yeah, they got a lot of shit planned. I'm excited. I fucking love Subnautica. I still need to play Below Zero more. Because last I played Below Zero was like, oh my,
I'm eating him.
was like when it was like really early access and not even close to finished. So I gotta play that again. I should do that. I should do that for a stream at some point. Come here. Yay. Motion blur off. Okay. Quick brain, think of a pun with Subnautica. Can you even? Can you? Hello, Malachi. Hello. Sequel guys in chat. Wow. Wow. Select Pioneer to print. Oh. I just got here. Yeah, you did. Customize. Oh shit. Suit. Additional fabrication options. Oh shit, you'll be able to customize later? I just listen, you just got here and that means you're going right in my tunnel.
Implant reset to factory settings.
I need to Babe, what? Am I not allowed to eat her? Am I not allowed to eat you? Huh? 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 I'm eating you any chances I get.
Maximum. Projected lifespan 13 minutes. Adaptation required.
Oh. Highly pressurized air is destroying your lungs. Adaptation required. Unknown genetic incompatibility. Oh, okay. Boot.
I am Noah. You're the QI. Your life is my job. My job is your life. I wish I could make...
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to turn the volume up a little bit.
I am Noah. You're the QI. Your life is my job. My job is your life. I wish I could make full introductions, but courtesies must wait. We are both going to die if we stay here. There's another Noah node in the life pod outside. Get me there and I can get us both to safety.
Proceed to adaptation.
Under 60 atmospheres of pressure, oxygen becomes a neurotoxin. Nitrogen bubbles saturate your flesh and pry your joints apart. I've opened the door to the adaptation chamber. Your printed body can borrow tricks from indigenous life. You'll feel better. You'll be better. The last pioneer didn't make it to the life pod. I'm activating their black box signal. You will make it. That's why you're the QI.
Interesting. There's a really interesting spin on it. Instead of like crash landing, you're just like some freak printed in.
Subnautica Pioneer nanotech. Your body can adapt survival traits from a Zazuran rat. Proceed to the sampling pavilion. Tampering detected. Our gene donor found. You must adapt alien traits to survive.
Can't stay long going out to eat, remember they've been dying on an alien planet.
Adaptive trimethylamine, N-oxide synthesis. Pressure tolerance increased. Vital signs stabilizing. Congratulations. This orb is now your relative.
What? Can't stay long going out to eat, river die, get a you played it is crazy. What the hell? Did y'all see the trailer for this shit? It's ominous as fuck.
Scanning for necessary
It's ominous as hell. it's very You will die here, and that's okay. You're going to die here.
Barometric depth gauge activated. A serious accident has occurred. Your sleep bay has been separated from the cicada. You must reach the surface and send a distress call.
Hang on. The Dark Souls trailers, water games. Hang on, we're gonna watch the trailer real quick. We're gonna do this. We're gonna watch the trailer. We're gonna watch the trailer right now. Where's Steam? Steam. We're gonna watch the trailer right now. Uh-oh, I just accidentally broke everything. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.
You're a ferret.
There we go. Okay. There's this trailer. First crash recorded, chat? No, there wasn't a crash. This one's just a trailer showing that there's like multiplayer. But this one.
I am Noah. My job is your life. Find a convenient way to die.
Welcome back, Pioneer. For the sake of all our sleeping friends, we have to learn how to survive. Good luck.
No one wants to talk about how we got here. All you need to know is, it's a beautiful place to die over and over again.
We've set up a lab here with a few basic biomods. They're safe. But if you start to hear voices, or if you get the urge to swim to the tree, don't go.
Forget your debt. Forget Noah. Forget Altera. Forget the life you imagined. It's all gone now. You're going to die here. And that's all right. Pick the most interesting thing you can see and explore. Wouldn't that set you free? And I know where this mission will end. You'll join us soon enough.
That shit's fucking fucking ominous as shit, dog. Oh man. No power. Oh man. It's interesting being like all your deaths are canon, basically.
My full name is Noetic Advisor Node, ISV CIDS-B3. Between us, I prefer Noah. You are the QI, the qualified investigator. Wear it with pride. We have made violent planetfall. I don't know the status of the pioneer colonists, the cicada, or the 40,000 souls stored in its quartz memory. I am just one Noah node. I print and support the colonists stored in Sleep Bay 3. But if things go wrong, I am authorized to print a QI or two for troubleshooting. If we're going to complete the mission to build a human future on this world, you will have to lead the way. Are you ready to begin? I can't release the life pod. The clamps have corroded shut. The tyranny of matter. You'll have to swim out and release them manually. They're on the back of the pod, outside the passenger window. Mind your breath.
Over here? Oh man, this is spooky scary. This is real scary. Whoa. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have looked down. Oh no. Okay, okay, Noah, let's leave. Let's get out of here. Oh gee, I got a Subnautica mode. Yo. Oh, we're going down. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah! Whoa, fishie. These fucking thrusters are so bad at their job. This fucking pod is so bad at its job. You're telling me this fucking thing does not even try to check if there's anything above it?
Wake up. Starnav does not recognize the sky.
Probably doing anything but make sure we land safely, yeah.
Titan class biosignature on the horizon.
Oh boy, the tree. Can I swim to the tree immediately?
You are not on Caesura, Pioneer.
I'm not on Zazura. Survival multi-tool. Safest AI controlled landing. Yeah. Wubber. Water slug. Water slug. Okay, let's just customize. Customize Pioneer. I don't fucking stop. We can't do shit. Oh, look at those guys. They're so cool. Oh, I want to touch it. Titanium quartz and basic battery. I need that one. What the fuck is that? Hang on. What is that item? Acidic Ryon pouch. Those things are not fish, twin. But look at them. Look at them. They could be broadly classified as fish. They could be broadly classified.
A prolonged search will require food and water.
Oh, air bubble.
From hand tools to
They're not even in the water. That don't matter. Look at this guy.
is an ideal structural
Oh. Why is he shaking? I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Expected Caesuran proteins found unknown alien tissue.
Incompatible for human digestion. Fuck.
This quartz contains dead coral polyp. Oxygen formed on or near a coral dome.
How do I put the fucking slug away? What do you mean? That's like the biggest classification. What do you mean by that, huh? Okay, listen. Flying fish don't spend all the time in the water. Listen. Flying fish don't spend all the time in the water. The what were they called again? The little mud bitches. The mud hoppers. Yeah, no shit. They spend 99% of their time in water. Yeah, but the mud hoppers don't. The mud hoppers chill. Look at these guys. Blue moon and half moon.
Source of genetic adaptations in this region, tracking a bloom of viral activity at the same source. Investigate with caution.
Slug. Ah! I got zapped. Oh no. My sister in Christ, listen. I'm a marine biologist. I'm lying. I'm lying. Look at this thing. Ow. No, you ain't Jotaro wannabe. I could be. I did take a class for it, actually. Acidic rayon pouch. I guess I need the multi-tool for that. Flashlight.
The portable locker can be hand carried or attached to a hard point. Avoid workplace friction. Inform your co-workers before moving their stash.
I'll put that right there. I took a class in physics. That doesn't mean I'm a physicist. Listen, I'm not saying I'm not saying I'm a marine biologist. How do I get that adaptation?
Advisor has transmitted an alert. Notice the intrusive and persistent heart icon. At your convenience. Remember that you are in command of the mission.
Is Mommy Leviathan in this game? No, because this is on a different planet. Completely different planet. Come here, Ripley.
I printed 26 colonists before the sleep bay drowned, many of them more than once. This is my purpose: to reincarnate you from digital storage, support your work, and if necessary, reverse your death. If I lose track of my colonists, I am empowered
Also,
to send qualified
didn't she die at the end of the
investigators
first
to track them
game?
down. Do this for me, and I can offer you hazard pay, credit against your contract debt. Risk code: Sierra Ordinal Warrant 2. I am already searching for the black boxes of the missing colonists. Stand by for search locations. Downloading colony. I'm monitoring noxiously elevated viral loads in the seawater. Heavy metal assays detect bone-blistering levels of cadmium, lead, and chromium. This planet is already killing you. We have to know if the life pod biobed can help. Find a convenient way to die. Your black box will phase your mind to the biobed. I'll print you in a new body. You can return to your point of exit to retrieve dropped items. Regular reprinting may help slow down environmental contamination. It's not a long-term solution, but for now, we have to triage. I understand.
Okay. She was about to, but we helped her and her kids survive, but then she, like, dies anyway.
I printed 26 colonists before the sleep bay drowned, many of them more than once. This is my purpose.
The situation reminds me of a movie where the group of space scientists... Was it Mickey 7?
And if necessary,
Mickey something? Some number?
If I lose track of my colonists, I am empowered to send a qualified... This isn't Caesura. I thought you should discover that for yourself.
I've heard that movie's good. I never saw it though.
Waiting for us. Your fellow pioneers, my fellow Noah nodes, working together to break ground for those who still sleep. Instead, silence. Not even the cicada answers. We are alone.
I think it's Mickey 17 is the number. Where's my survival multi-tool? Give me that.
Available to TSF frontiersmen. Only this demilitarized switch axe is approved for colonial fabrication. In untrained hands, firearms are primarily used to harm other colonists or the self. Acid can be used to make basic chemical batteries.
Yay, battery. Copper. Now I can make battery, and then I can make the scanner, and that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. I want to scan everything. I just wanna scan them all of them.
Stranded on 4546B.
Copper, I sure hope it doesn't have any electricity in it.
To outwit teleporting alien cyborgs and treat his Kara infection. Behavioral economists still debate why Riley abandoned a lucrative motivational speaking career to return to frontier life.
Oh, they're talking about the protagonist for the first game. Interesting. What the fuck are you? Jordy. Give me that. Whoa, Subnautica 2 looks so good. Yeah. Oh, it's got a little radar? Oh, I didn't mean to. It's got a little radar for things you can scan. Ow. Mimic pylon. There's a flashlight down here I can scan. Flashlight. Flashlight.
This colony of worms in a shared membrane.
Worm?
has no earthly analog. You have discovered a new clade. Naming rights may be auctioned off or reserved as a gift for that special someone in your future.
Worm? Hello, buddy.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Big ass fucking tree, man. I want to scan that thing. Coral dome. I want to scan that freak. Hi, Razdaru. Hi. How's it going? Hi. How fucking far is that, or big is that thing? Holy. Very, it seems. Oh, that's a big drop. Oh no. That's a big drop. I just want to scan this guy. I just want to scan. Scan. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going back home. I'm leaving. I don't want to be in the deep area. Hi, just lurking. Well, welcome in. Good to see you.
The noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the lifeboat at your convenience.
Okay. Yay. What's that? I want to scan that. I want to scan those flat ones. Those flat bitches. Come here, you. There's like 3 different kinds of them. I want to scan them cheeks. What the hell? Harvest moon. What was that noise? What is that thing? Oh. Oh, it looks scary. Oh, it looks scary. How do I swim downward? I guess I gotta look down. Okay, I just came here for a streak. I don't want these plays. Alright, see ya. Or does it keep fucking unloading my scanner? I love it. Have fun. I will do my best. I'm gonna get scared so much. I'm gonna get so scared constantly. Oh fuck, look at that thing. Look at that guy. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Wax moon. Oh, I want to read all about these guys. He looks like a boomerang. A little bit. A little bit. Climb. Okay, I want to read about these guys. Databank. Fish. Half moon. Tentatively molliform luna. Large forage fish with strains plankton from seawater and nibbles small growth. Prey fish. Staple foodstuff for predators have evolved several flee and hide behaviors. Edible, but a fabricator cook is recommended. Separate plumbing. A rigid beak protects two valves which draw in seawater for feeding. Spiracles behind the eyes feed water to internal gills for breathing. Built for agility. Body pack with neuromass to detect water flow. Anterior fins have fenestrae holes to help them quickly reverse direction. Many have evolved to maneuver in tight quarters or in dead schools of other half-moons. Peculiar nervous system. Lack reafference cancellation. Can't distinguish stimuli caused by its own motions from change in the surrounding world. Easily fascinated by bright light. They even experience itself as causing the light. Sometimes behaves as if disoriented, swimming sideways without apparent benefit. Assessment: tolerable food source. Interesting. This was always like my fucking favorite part about these games, was just like sitting there and reading about the fish. Databank entry coming soon. Databank entry coming soon. Databank entry coming soon. Hycean, a remarkable flying predator named for planets that makes a predator, huh? Oh, okay. I got really close to that without knowing that. They're descended from the same squid-like ancestors as a houndgar and other protean toothus. This Hycean's mantle is full of buoyant hydrogen. The ancestral Hycean probably stored ammonia for buoyancy, much like many Earth squid. The Hycean uses bacterial symbiotes to convert this ammonia into carbon nitride, which then exposed to sunlight splits seawater into oxygen and hydrogen lifting gas. Predatory fisher. Free of most predators, the Hycean drifts above the sea surface and snags prey with its arms. The larger a Hycean's gas bag, the more food it can afford to lift and digest. Large prey can be suffocated by holding them clear of the water until their gills dry out. The sails provide steerage in the wind and can be flapped for emergency power. Any spark may ignite the Hycean's gas bag with disastrous results. Hyceans are acutely sensitive to electromagnetic activity and may be forced to shelter in the water during thunderstorms. Philosophical musings. The Buena Vista hypothesis, proposed by Malcolm McIver, argues that advanced cognition could only evolve when Earth fish began to raise their eyes above the water, allowing them to see far enough to require long-range behavioral planning. If this hypothesis is credited, then the Hycean, as one of the only discovered protean species that lives outside water, may be unusually intelligent. Recommendations: avoid areas beneath Hyceans, monitor for signs of high-level behavior such as fertilizing certain areas of the ocean with defecated waste. I went directly beneath one of them, bitches. I went directly beneath one of them. I went right underneath one. You were too stinky to be food. Water slug. Look at that guy. Tentatively, sea slug hydroclast is a biological enigma that converts seawater into drinkable freshwater. Microbial fuel cell. Removing salt from seawater is energy intensive. Nonetheless, the water slug does it. Perhaps a byproduct of an internal microbial reactor that feeds on waste in seawater. A hydrophobic plastic bulb that protects the slug from rapid dehydration by salt water. Plankton farm. The slug's water bulb hosts a highly productive plankton species, turning light into food. Fresh water may be necessary for the plankton's chemistry, or it may be a prison, a way to keep the plankton from leaving. Vampiric aura. The water slug's developed beak has a sharp cutting surface. Possible evolutionary history as a parasite or commensal, tapping a host's blood and filtering out toxins. Assessment: only nearby source of drinkable water. Advise prepare to cook before drinking. In case of kidney problems, consider allowing the water slug to feed on your blood. Jordy, look at that fucking thing. Tenali Selpapod Jordy, a Japrafeld omnivore, evolved from an organism resembling a bony octopus. A rasping jaw. The Jordy's hard mouth parts can brush algae off rocks, crush small crustaceans, pull plugs out of coral, and cut wads of kelp. 4 fins, perhaps evolved from bony legs. They steer the Jordy and host its 4 stomach pouches. Diverticular stomachs. Each fin leg holds a digestive pouch with bacteria specialized to portions of the Jordy's diverse diet. Swimming motion helps us stir and digest food. We could make a certain toy out of this. That's what I thought you'd say. Central jet. The central channel is lined with stinging cells, which kill small seaborne fauna. Do not insert fingers. Muscular pulses propel the Jordy by jet action. Donut-shaped spinal braid. The Jordy's nerve braid is wrapped around the jet channel like a donut. Toroidal brain structures may have an interesting downstream consequences in larger organisms. Assessment: edible, though heavily loaded with metals and waxes. Advise thorough fabricator cook. Databank auto-generation and interrupted. Script hook found in allocated memory. Executing. Unpacking archive data. Nahima voice log go. If you're listening to this and you don't have lead poisoning, I am very jealous. If you're listening to this and you do have lead poisoning, I'm sorry I couldn't figure it out in time. Mea culpa. It's a typical protean coral. It works differently than earth coral. The gross morphology is a branching tree, like some species of extinct acropora. We call it coral because we know the word, but the difference matters. On Earth, coral are basically tiny jellyfish living in stone houses. The jellyfish sting prey. They also let zooxanthellae live within them, house guests who make food from the sun. On Proteus, I think what we're seeing here is actually a sponge acting as a landlord. The sponge makes a house, it rents the space to these tiny coral polyps, which sting prey and capture sunlight as energy for the sponge. I think the sponge used to be in charge, but eventually the coral polyps got so good at their job that the sponge stopped pumping water and just lived off rent from the coral polyps. And to keep its tenants alive, they built a rocky shell like Earth's Solera sponges. If I'm right, we should see other coral sponge pairs that have worked out in different deals, each deal suited to particular ecological niche. Coral geodesica, the defining feature of its shallow biome. Coral analog. Like earthly coral, the dome is a colony of polyps, small jellyfish-like animals that secrete a limestone skeleton. This process uses dissolved carbon dioxide from the seawater. Corals are therefore an important method of climate regulation since they transform atmospheric carbon into hard limestone. Dual feeding strategy. The dome's outer surface feeds on sunlight using photosynthetic symbiotes known as zooxanthellae. As the dome grows, the colony clears its interior, recycling the limestone for reuse. Polyps on the outside of the dome hunt with stinging tentacles. Mineral explosion. As the dome grows, it collects and expels mineral waste, creating nodes of quartz. Critical ecosystem element. The dome corals help regulate global climate and provide a breakwater, reducing erosion in their shallow surroundings. The dome captures the nutritious sediments from the sea currents. Pioneers should prioritize a survey of coral health. Assessment: critical source of quartz, vital to the local ecosystem. Mimic pylon. My Twitch shit itself. Oh no. Tentatively, Pyloraptor mimic. A predatory animal disguised as a leafy kelp. Discharges electrical shock when disturbed. Cephalopod-like body. Resembles an octopus or squid planted mantle down in the seabed with its arms spread to mimic kelp. Pouches of symbiotic bacteria between the arms allow it to photosynthesize. A beak at the center of its arms is plugged with mucus. Electrical hunting. The forearms contain electrocytes, organs which build up an electrical charge when disturbed by prey. The electrocysts discharge, causing paralysis or death. It is unclear if their prey are directly eaten or if they decompose in a garden around the mimic pylon. Organisms which feed on external decay are known as saprotrophs. A beak? It has a beak? Yeah. Implies kelp. The pylon's cryptic aggressive mimicry of leafy kelp implies that kelp must exist on this world. Most species of Earth's oceans eat to survive with primary production, the conversion of sunlight into biomass carried out by plankton and algae. Leafy kelp were a late evolutionary development. Cave mouth strategy. The mimic pylons tend to cluster around sea cave entrances, perhaps to feed on organisms entering or leaving the caves. Alternatively and speculatively, they may have been planted there by another species to control access. Avoid contact to prevent energy may mark cave mouths. Rayon carbonica. A colony of worms living inside a shared membrane, probably a sponge, uses weak acid to digest prey. Rayon, an organism defined as a sponge occupied by a colony of cloned predatory worms. The sponge is chambered akin to Earth's extinct sphinctozoans. The chambers grow around a central pump. Pressurized acid. The rayon worms secrete a weak acid as a digestive factor to defense mechanism. This acid is held under pressure by a plug in the radon's central pump. To avoid unwanted acid release, cut away the chambers before disturbing the central pump. Okay. So you cut away the things and then you can take the healing ball. Levin, what do we need to do to see the inside of the beak? I don't think it says the beak was plugged, okay? Volcanic origin. The acid rayon may have originally evolved near a cold seep or volcanic caldera. Acid-friendly biochemistry gave it a useful defense mechanism and feeding strategy to colonize other waters. That sounded like the Limbus, the fucking Lobotomy Corporation notes. Dun, 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 dun. Medical gel. The Ryan's central pump is partially plugged by a massive worm residue. This keeps the pressure in the chambers high. The residue contains useful clotting factors and broad-spectrum antibiotics. Recommended collection. Problematic genetics. Spectrogenetic analysis indicates the host sponge and the resident worms contain partial copies of each other's genomes. It's a biological impossibility on Earth, which suggests genetic inheritance functions differently on this world. Useful source of weak acid for batteries. Central plug contains medically relevant gel. Cutaway chambers before removing central plug. Consult with your noetic advisor. System to optimus search. Worm residue? I think you mean dirt. No.
Contact. I've located the black box of Anita Gottschall, the colony purser. Partial voice data retrieved.
We're so hungry.
Anita always liked to watch you shuffle cards. She said you had a knack for holding things. Find out what happened to her. Signal location uploaded to your PDA.
Look at that fucking freak. Look at that freak out there. I need to go. Oh shit, we got nutrient blocks. Gloop. I've been glooped. No. No, no gloop. No gloop, please. I'll put those there. Yay! Oh, I should probably like actually eat. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, we go. I wonder what the deal is with the difference between the moon species. I wonder what that's gonna be when they get to that. How that's gonna be like. Feeling suspiciously like a nutrient block myself. Of course you are. Of course you are.
Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
I'm playing Subnautica 2.
Subnautica?
Yeah, here, look at this.
Seems suspicious to me.
Have you seen the trailer?
Yeah, I saw the trailer.
Dude,
for
that
this
shit's
game.
ominous as hell.
The actual thing in the trailer is scary as shit.
Yeah. Pick up Lucifer Rotsack.
No, Lucas, not spelled like that. Spelled like this.
What the fuck are these for?
They look like Star and I, but with like a fucked up orange.
Not that.
Dude, the Omni tool is so
Oh fuck, what is that?
funny to me.
That's scary. Lucifer Rotsack. An oily glowing bulb has a heartbeat. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna put that away.
Dude, your fucking Omni tool is so fucking funny to me. It's just like a
That's where the beak is supposed to be. Yeah, it's a fucking hammer that has like an axe part of it. It's a hammer that has it's a hammer that has a flip out axe.
That circle in it looks like it might be a wrench based on the real life Omni tools I've messed
Look at that
around
fucking
with.
thing. What are you? What are you,
I think
pal?
it's gonna eat you. That thing's big. It's like a peeper.
Scan 4-eye. No, come back. Whoa.
Oh, that thing opens weird. Yo, I don't like that.
Huh? Huh? Scary. Look at this thing.
Hammerhead, it's gonna do some shit, right? Yeah.
No, okay. Okay, pal.
Oh, okay. Is this the
Right
same
over here.
planet or a different
A
one?
completely different planet.
Okay, yeah. Are the fucking... Why is the life even more hostile? This sucks.
Yeah, honestly.
I can hear you. Sophie says you're a hallucination, just a virus, but I know you're listening.
Is the multiplayer in effect already, or...
Yeah, the multiplayer's the thing.
Okay. I know some games that advertise multiplayer don't release with it because of, like,
No,
shit.
they're doing like a quality of life and like more multiplayer stuff later on.
Okay.
you. Just help us.
Yeah, oxygen. Dude, that plant thing from under the water, I thought that was like a monster that's about to kill you. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna touch it.
The ocean's scary.
Alien enzymes to your stomach lining. You may now digest
Pardon
freely.
me.
I can now digest freely. Did it speak to you? No. Did what speak to me? Is the plot the same as in the first game where you crash onto a planet? Kind of. The bit with this one is you were on a colony ship that crashed, and then they just kind of 3D printed you. They just kind of 3D printed your ass out of storage, so that you could help.
It's still Altera, right?
It is still the company, yeah. It is still Altera company.
Literally like the worst company to work for ever.
Yeah. When you craft the scanner, it talks about the protagonist from the first game.
Oh, nice.
So it really puts it to what it's saying, huh? Yeah, and then when you die, that's canon. It's canon for you to die. Look
Are
at
you
this.
talking
Look
about
at this
Protect
guy.
1 or in this game?
No, I mean in this one,
Jordan.
you die repeatedly.
I see, and I see
And
you
then
die,
they just
and then
3D print another one of your ass.
Yeah. I wonder if there's going to be a thing at the end of the game where they're just like, yeah, you died this many times, so this is how much it's going to cost to repay for all the 3D printing of your body.
Probably. There probably would be. What's that over there?
The giant ominous tree is not nice.
Yup.
It's like a tree made of coral.
Made of Carl?
Coral.
Carl. It's made out of Carl. We didn't really like him, so we just kind of like turned him into a tree.
Your oxygen drains so fucking fast, it's kind of hilarious, because some people could probably hold their breath longer than you could fucking breathe.
Oh, look at that.
This case was broken by a survival multi-tool. Sabotage is a serious crime. Samantha Ayu's bombing of Altera Labs delayed critical Kara research. Oxygen.
Wall light small.
God, I kind of want to get this game and play with you, but at the same time, I'm more scared of the ocean than you are.
I'm really scared of it.
Yeah, I'm really scared of it.
I gotta put a battery in here. I gotta go make a battery. Where are these? Do you see those guys in the distance?
Yeah, the fuck are
Those are like blimp predators.
That's not fun.
They're like jellyfish that are blimps that like float around and then like fish with their tendrils and pull things out of the water and strangle them. Okay,
That's
not strangle them. They just kind of hold them there until they dry out. Hey, Leva, how are you? I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm a little bit scared. I need to make a battery. Lucifer Rutsek.
That sounds like the name of a rich asshole.
It kind of does, yeah. But like from a series that's like a little too on the nose with it. Oh, look at how many four eyes there are over there. Oh, look at those freaks. I don't want to deal with them. No need for fear. Nothing dangerous has ever lurked in the ocean before. I'm scared.
Lucas mentioned Overwatch in chat, and I was therefore reminded of how they really did just to get rid of the two.
Yeah, they had the goddamn Persona 5 crossover, and then they removed the two.
Yeah.
But the added mass would sink your life pod. A standalone habitat is the next step on your mission.
Boot Noah.
Having a look around. This structure was connected to Street Bay 3 until the bay suddenly moved.
Oh, your oxygen's not draining while you're in this. That's nice.
With you and I aboard. 20,000 hours earlier, a hard line leading to a habitat complex in the north was deliberately cut. Why? And if I am not mistaken, and I never am, this node was killed by an explosion below the structure.
So they were here for fucking years before this point.
Investigator. I've retrieved 2 messages. I think you should review them.
How long is 20,000 hours?
Very fondly.
I'll check.
20,000 hours in years is 2.25 years. Yeah, so they've been here for a while.
Hello, I am Zigimantus Starvilus, formerly EVA engineer on Mongolian steppes. Now lead diver of this mess. Here is my formula for a quick base. Fill up on titanium, quartz,
Here's my
and
formula
copper.
for a souffle.
Get your builder tool. Wave it around a bit, check the battery, get comfortable. Build a corridor. Put a solar panel on top. You must have power to make air. Put a hatch on the end. Go inside. Build lockers. At Fabricator, it will draw from your lockers automatically.
Ooh.
Nice, huh? Now
That's
you have
nice.
made a perfect work camp. Later, you can add a room for biobed, processor, scanner station, a real bed, maybe grow some plants. The rest will follow.
You'll want to visit the biolab near the entrance and install a passive and active biomod. While less permanent than adaptations, I've been told they're more fun. Sophie would have cleared anything in there.
Sophie.
What if you're the last human being in the whole universe? Wouldn't that set you free?
Yeah, that sounds like something a
This world
psychopath
is
would
yours
say.
to explore, but it is not for man. You'll join us soon enough.
Oh.
Welcome back, Pioneer. I'm Sophie Boucher, Kurultai surgeon.
Oh, that's Sophie.
By now
Sophie
you know
Boucher.
we're not on the Zora. We call this planet Proteus. We don't know when rescue will find us. For the
Anyways,
sake
she's
of all
French,
our
so don't
sleeping
listen
friends,
to
we
her.
have to learn how to survive. Nahima?
Hey, fellow dead slave. I'm Nahima Nakota, ecologist. Take a sip of seawater. Notice that sweet blood taste under the salt? That's a toxic
What is
dose of
wrong
heavy
with this
metals.
woman?
Nobody survived past 3 months. It's a beautiful place to die over and over again.
But don't let that beauty seduce you, Pioneer. Exposure to Proteus causes a delusion we call Mazefield syndrome. The call of the sea. People may tell you it's a gift. Ignore them. You remember what Kara did to our homes. You know we can't trust alien biology. We've set up a lab here with a few basic biomods. They're safe. But if you start to hear voices, or if you get the urge to swim to the tree, don't go. Habitat is due north. We'll come pick you up. See you soon, Pioneer.
Fuck.
So you're gonna swim to the tree now, right?
Once it's not dark.
Once it's not dark, that's understandable.
And maybe if I get a vehicle.
Oh my, I'm eating.
What? Blake redeem tummy time. Come here. Hang on. Hang on.
I hear voices and I want to swim to the tree. Then go swim to that tree, Ripley.
Yeah, swim to that tree.
Also, I hope you're okay
There
with
you-
being
there you
called
are.
Ripley, because otherwise you're getting called
Aw.
Massive L.
I'm gonna call you L.
I can't, I'm in Levin. Swim to Levin's tree.
Yeah, swim to
There's
my
one in there
tree.
somewhere.
There's definitely one in there somewhere.
The lighting is definitely better
You have
in
to
this
swim
game
us to the tree.
than
Yeah,
first one.
the lighting is kind of insane.
Like, they did that thing where the ripples in the water, sort of cascaded onto the shallow surface. Wow, the lighting being better really makes nighttime water worse. Oh god.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to play Below Zero again. I don't know how the plot of that game goes for the most part, so I think that would be fun to do for your stream.
Don't get your hopes pops up.
I will get scared and probably chicken out.
I hate that Below Zero kind
Look
of
at this
sucks
guy.
because it has my favorite Leviathan in it.
Why does it kind of suck?
There's a few things. It's not the worst game in the world, but like if you compare it to the first, it's just sort of like what went wrong?
Damn.
Hey, Orko. Hey, puppy.
Which was your favorite? Which was your favorite Leviathan? Oh man.
It's called the Shadow Leviathan.
Oh man. Looking at this tree makes
isn't that
me have to
fucking
pee.
The tree that makes you piss.
Maybe a little bit. The tree.
So
The tree.
I am curious.
I really like there's like fuck ass mola from Below Zero that I liked. They were funny.
Yeah. I am curious if how this world is set up, if you are on one side of the tree exclusively, or if it's the area around the tree.
Before it was like the crater, and they do have plans to add more biomes and like more area.
Yeah.
That's
so
mentioned on the
maybe it is
roadmap.
around the tree.
So my guess is the area around the tree.
You want a fit?
You want a
What do you
fit?
mean you want a fit?
You want a
I mean,
fit?
I like fit. Fit cool.
You want a fit?
Used to go fishing with my dad all the time.
I need copper. I need copper.
The main reason I don't go fishing with my dad anymore is because I'm usually busy on the weekends, and also, when fishing there are many bugs, and I am scared of those.
With Gorgon. I was reading all of the data entries that are around a little before you got here.
I was showering, which I know
Look at
might
this
be
little
strange
fucking
to
freak.
you, but I don't
Look at
like
that
its
whole
butthole.
action. Look at that whole action.
That's awful.
I'm
Some of you would
keeping that
fold.
one for later.
Awful. If I see a comm that you get in the future, I swear to God.
We're getting fan art.
Thank God Goopy's not here.
Good lord, what that fish do?
Christ almighty. Lord in heaven, absolve them of their sins.
Good lord. I need copper. I need copper.
By the 9, I'm tweaking.
Wakemaker fragment.
Orko is playing Subnautica 2.
Orko, come here. Orko, come here. We'll play together. I don't want to know. I don't want to. Loving the voices no longer say to swim to the tree. They're all talking about that fish. That sounds about right, honestly. That sounds about right. That's scary noises. Ooh, copper. Ow!
Okay, so I open up the search bar on Steam, and
Inventory is full.
it has Hell Let Loose Vietnam. I assume it's a war game. Subnautica 1 is 75% off. That makes sense why it would advertise that. A game called Misery is next. It's on sale. And then Who the Fuck's Femboy is 15% off.
That sounds about right for Steam to just like put that on your feed.
Christ almighty.
Some people like will say like, oh, that's based off like your recommendations or whatever, and it's fucking not. It's not.
Yeah, it isn't. I've never played a porn game in my entire fucking life.
Look at all that titanium. Like it doesn't, like if your friends play it or like if it just thinks you'll like it. I think I dropped like 2 titanium.
I wonder which of my friends is playing porn games to warrant this.
Good question.
Congratulations. You have taken a major step.
Orca, why'd you ask me if I want to
fit?
pee? I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god.
You want a fit?
You want a fit? I want a fit. Fit sounds fun.
Proof that you've built something to last. Remember, it's easier to replace a body than a base.
It's easier to replace a body than a base. Okay, dude.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Okay, man. Cannot be placed on this surface. Oh, you can just kind of. Oh shit! You can really rotate this shit.
If you play a single visual novel, your entire Steam is.
Wait, Levin, is your world solo? Yeah.
I don't think I've ever played a visual novel. Is the thing, because I don't like them.
I would have to like make a new save for multiplayer, right?
The only visual novel I've ever played is like the first 2 hours
put my base like right over here.
of Doki Literature Club, and it wasn't on my Steam account.
I'm gonna put my base right over here because this is gonna be like the scariest possible place for it to be, and I think that'll be entertaining.
Yeah.
Build area obstructed. What the fuck?
Yeah, by that plant. Go cut that plant. Go cut the plant. Yeah, those plants. Go cut them.
There is no sign of plant life on this world. Oxygen is closer to vinyl or latex than cellulose. Committed vegetarians should expect protein.
Good view for your porch. Yeah. Oh fuck.
What the fuck is that?
That's a big guy. The blimps. They use the.
I guess they're supposed to be like.
Look, if you touch those, then they pull you up. I think. I went to I like immediately went over to scan it, and I didn't know that it was a predator that would like grab you if you were underneath it. So I just immediately went underneath it. No, it didn't do anything to me. So I went back and I read the entry, and then I was like, fuck, I could have died. Nope. It's just in a bad area, I guess. What? What? Wait, maybe the voices are saying to swim to the floating creature because I miss seeing it up close. Oh no. Oh no.
How are you today, Orko?
How do I rotate these bitches? Oh. Hatch.
Just gonna live in a big L.
Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should make your base just 11. Just have it be a bunch of tubes that spell out 11.
Quartz. You're not Quartz, you're a fucking loser.
Think about the fish's feelings. Water slug. This kind of looks like something that you would make a Sona out of.
House made of tubes, perfect for ferret. True.
It is true. Gotta put your name on the planet so future aliens know it was yours, honestly.
That's more titanium. Fuck off, you freak. Get out of my backyard. Curtain Gorgon.
I wonder how expensive barnacle is as a food.
Barnacle? You probably don't get a lot of meat out of a barnacle.
Well, there are certain ones that are like the size of your fist, so they have like a decent sized chunk of meat inside them.
I guess that's probably about as, like, the biggest they get, you're probably getting about as much as, like, from an oyster or something.
No, you're getting like way more than an oyster. On average, you're probably getting an oyster, but those bigger ones are huge.
I wonder how much of it is actually edible, though. Well, look at these guys.
Well, in the
Look
video
at these guys.
In the video I watched of a guy eating one, he literally just like grilled it and then grabbed the top of it and just like pulled it out and then just ate everything he pulled out. So I guess everything on the inside is edible.
Whoa, Pyrotechnic subscribe. Yeah. Thank you, Pyro. Thank you. I need more quartz. I need more quartz. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm so scared. Look at that. Look at that fucking asshole.
Pyrotechnic says what your thoughts on the Big Blue Sea are so far.
I've been crying. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, that's neat.
What's neat?
I don't know. Orko said, "Oh, that's neat."
Don't let the Four Eyes bully you. Get fucked.
Four Eyes has been bullying her for years.
What? Oh. Oh.
Awful. You can. Orko says you can convert a single-player world into a.
Oh shit. Hang on, let me manual save. Hold up, is that an Aurora or a different ship? No. That's the tree.
This is a whole different planet.
Host new multiplayer game. Back. How would I oh, convert the multiplayer. You convert the single player. Oh, you could just convert it back and forth. Sick.
Oh, that's neat.
Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
It's awesome.
At least the life pod looks nicer.
Chap.
Another black box. Chap Savan, head of computational dynamics. His job is to make sure I'm doing my job. I'm what he would call weakly supervisable. It means I respond well to human guidance. I can take partial instructions and generate a coherent concept of operations. Chap gave you his PDA passkey so you could play games on his account. I let it slide. His action was against the rules, but in support of the concept. Signal location uploaded.
Oh, good. I was wondering if they had us going back to 4546B. No, this is Proteus or whatever they were fucking calling it.
You're welcome to hell.
Those like 5 notes sound like the things that play during fucking Lobotomy Corporation. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, Orko's gonna doggy paddle their way around with their little legs.
Those stubby little corgi legs.
I remember there was this one time when Orko was telling us that
I did it.
Orko was telling us that they were like working on making some sort of like towel rack or something for their dad, and Gamma said, "But how are you going to make that with your little paws?" And Orko just went, "I don't know, man."
I don't know, man. Oh yeah, the key rack.
Yeah, it was key rack. Yeah.
I don't know, man.
I don't know, man.
Fuck. I want to make a window. Borko, give me quartz.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
I need piss. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these little guys. We play fetch. Yeah, you gotta you go collect all the materials I need right now.
You're a ferret.
Yeah, puppy fetch.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go piss. Be right back.
Any idea how many people can be in a single multiplayer world? Is it just 2 or is it up to like 4?
Fuck, my butt cheek hurt.
Sucks, bro.
Ugh. I dragged Borko in here.
Picture that rules.
Beef, did I tell you about job?
I know you passed your drug test. Is there anything more to tell?
They called me today that I'm going to training on Monday. I have to drive an hour away.
That sucks.
They said they're doing mileage reimbursement though, which is nice.
That's nice.
Yeah, actually is nice. What the fuck? In this economy?
Yeah. I wonder how much they're actually going to like reimburse. You know?
Oh shit.
How did you hurt your ass by pissing? I don't think that's how it works. Listen, I was already my ass was already hurting before the piss, okay? Does that make it better? Does that make it better?
She was experimenting with a Pringles can.
No. There's my base.
Ow.
Alright, I gotta go enjoy Oceanic Adventures. See ya, Ripley. Oh, I need to read the entries for those new animals. Oh my god, look at that thing go.
Look at him go!
Look at him go!
Bastard.
Power offline.
Oh, fuck.
Welcome aboard.
Power offline, what the hell? What the heck? Oxygen.
Oh, I'm hearing voices. Not the voices.
I need corpse.
Seek caloric
Corpse?
intake.
Yeah, corpse.
Yeah, I have a storage crate with
Quartz. We need more solar panel. Look at these little bitches glow. Look at them.
I'm so full of quartz.
What the fuck was that noise?
So full of quartz.
Oh, I'm so full of quartz. 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 Inventory is full. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at that fucking hole, dog. Look at that hole.
Which one? The one with the vent?
Look at that hole. Look at that hole. Oh, hi.
Welcome aboard.
Oh, you have the builder. Ugh. The quartz is in this little locker.
I need titanium.
I have titanium too.
Where to go?
Oxygen.
I need titanium. I need 1 billion titanium so we can have 50 storage lockers. The hole is red and glowing. True. I don't have a flashlight. This is scary because I don't have a flashlight.
The builder. I need to get myself a scanner.
I ate a slug. What the fuck? How did you do that?
Oh yeah. If you go back to the little base thing over here.
Excuse me. I wish I just had a fucking. I wish I had an orange circle within my vision that told me where Orko was at all times.
Biolab right here. You can get a active.
Oh, you gotta use it. Okay.
Yeah.
Pathfinder.
There's no real point being Pathfinder.
Passive biomods. Swim faster when close to underwater surfaces or the seafloor. Slows oxygen consumption when not using. Fuck that. I don't want. I want to go faster.
Yeah, hit that shift. Make it just do a dash.
Woo!
Passive.
Say,
Cool. I like those.
I will say, I think there's a bug with the dash. Sometimes it will dash backwards. It happens to be a lot of time.
I'm starving. I'm starving. Orko, can I eat you?
I guess. Oh yeah, also
Your passive and active perks? Yeah.
You can just eat the fish raw.
Well, I don't have any fish on me. I do have a nutrient bar that I didn't eat. Let Orko live for now. Why would I do that? Actually, that's true. Orko has been collecting materials for me. Orko is very useful. Toxic
glowing
sponge.
looking piece of this just kind of looks like it's glowing.
I really just can't see shit. Oh.
Oxygen.
I'm eating the worm residue.
Was it the worm residue?
I'm just catching fish and eating them raw. I'm living like a true survivalist. Come here.
But if you get the water slugs, if you eat them, it just gives you water.
Yeah. In the first game, the bladders would it would give you a bit of extra oxygen if you ate them.
You play more of the first one. I never finished it. I mean, because I was playing Xbox and things went load far away. So it's like, oh, Leviathan like spawns right in my face.
I may have wasted all of our quartz.
That's fine. I'll find more. Just wait till we move from tube room to big square room.
Tube room to big square room. Yay, habitat beacon.
Acquired more titanium.
Welcome aboard.
Window.
Oh, Orko, I hope when you were asking if I want to fish in chat, you weren't asking me if I want to play because I don't own the game.
Oh.
I need more quartz so I can make window.
Oh.
Hello, Krabby. Hello, Krabby.
My nose itches.
I love these little guys. I love these little guys.
This is called L.
Yeah.
Because it's the L tube.
Because it's L shape. It's the L tube. I don't know what you expected from me.
I don't know. I'm still slightly tired from last night.
What'd you do last night?
Remember we were watching Gen V?
Oh yeah.
You watching what?
I wasn't there. I wasn't there for a lot of it because I didn't really care about watching it.
What was it you were watching?
Gen V. It's like a the boys' side story thing.
Mm-hmm.
I never watched anything about the boys.
It's okay. The actual show is a lot better than the comics that they're sourced from.
I've heard that a lot.
Well, to explain that, the creator of the original comic hates superheroes, and he made the comic as like look how stupid superheroes are, and everyone just hated it because it was bad. Like no one liked it, you know.
Yeah.
Because the plot of the comics is like super stupid, and the show is definitely not following the comics to a T. There's some stuff that's similar, but they're definitely not following it to a T.
Oh fuck! Look at this.
So, oh, that's neat. Look at how the lighting works. Damn.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, if you use scroll wheel, you get. Oh yeah, so you didn't scroll wheel.
Yeah. Fuck, that's so nice. Are they just getting? Did they just get rid of the like what was it? What was it? The structural integrity thing.
I don't know if they did or not.
But
wait, hang on.
The show.
Hang on a fucking second. I can just oh, I can do this, and then that's just the same as having a window.
Oh yeah, I did that for my basic plug up glass. That's like it's too dark in here.
Yeah, the show deviates so much from from the comics. I could probably explain what happens in the comics without spoiling any potential stuff for the show, but the comic is so fucking bad, man.
Oh, more glass. Oh, more glass. More glass.
Oh, do I have any game updates on Steam?
Yay. Yay, pretty.
I found more first aid kits.
Mild acid and copper wire. Strong acid unlocked. Wow. Wow.
What the voices are calling?
The voices.
Of the void.
No. It's a different game.
Choices of the Chud.
Choices of the Chud?
Yeah.
Habitat systems. Noah. Noah. I need more quartz.
Yeah, I'm trying to find more quartz. All I have is titanium.
Looking inside the coral domes is really useful. Really gets a lot of quartz. Because they like make more over time.
Field notes, wander, not ander. Out here for Nahima, learning to be a biologist. I have one spare tank. My reprint site is habitat. Za 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 za. So, the ocean is full of proteovirus, and now we are full of it too. I asked Nahima, is it a disease like Kara? And she said no. Don't you know the difference between virus and bacteria? And I said, give me a break. I learned science off my PDA. But there are different kinds of proteovirus. Look here. Look how the coral grew over this sinkhole. Like a spider, like a
Where are
plug.
you?
And it's emitting virus.
I want to see what they're talking about.
Virus that kills other virus. One strain of proteovirus is in that coral spider. The normal
Harassed by
strain.
fish, they're trying to
And
nibble
it's
me.
trying to stop a different strain coming up out of that hole.
Ow.
Nahima calls it the bloom strain. Why would a virus want to kill another virus? I will go check this out.
Wow. Look at this. They got currents.
Yeah.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Metal mouse.
Ooh. Neat. We got hammerheads and four eyes here. I might just drown a little bit. Just a little bit. There's a lot of quartz in this spot. Maybe we should have actually built a base here instead. It would be cool to build inside this thing. Don't you think?
Yeah, you would like to be inside it, wouldn't you?
Shut the fuck up. Ah! Ah!
Are you getting nibbled?
No, it was the current was taking me down.
Oh.
The current was stealing me away.
He was getting fucking abducted.
At least it wasn't taking to the void area.
It did. It was taking me down there.
You know the void's northwest, north.
It was
Yeah,
taking me to the steep drop at least, and I'm scared of that.
Oh wait, there's just crabs over there.
I love crab. Look at the crabs near our base. I love them. I'm feeling so maternal towards them. Hey, my babies. Hello.
Welcome aboard.
You just walk up to me and just hear that video. It's like crab, crab, crab.
Crab, crab, crab,
and.
crab, and crab. I'm making more wall lockers.
Yeah, I have 2 more quartz and I have a bunch of salvage metal.
I can make Noah. Fuck, I need more titanium.
Oh, well. Fuck. Stay on the fucking
Metal
ground.
salvage. Half moon jerky, 3 moon tamaki. Yo, we can do cooking. Oily salad. Oily fiber salad, liminal flavor between cinnamon and plastic bag. Bowel effects unknown. Edible fish, minimal risk of xenogut. Edible fish, a bit juicier and plumpier than its cousin half moon. Edible fish, a little blue, a little waxy. Edible non-fish organism, prepped for human digestion.
Last night I heard Orko say fuck, and I think that might have been the first time I heard Orko swear. And I was like, Orko, I didn't know you could say those words. And Orko just went, oops, broke script.
Yeah, I was fresh out from work, so I was just, ugh.
Noah.
And when I'm all clocking out and all that, and there's like some like Uber Eats driver who just like shoves their phone right in front of my face, like, is this order ready? Like, let me check.
I don't understand what it is about like Uber Eats drivers and shit like that that makes them think that they can just fucking shove a phone in your face and be like, do you have this? And it's like, hey, buddy, you can read. Read me the name.
Yeah.
Enter deconstruct mode.
Yeah, most of them are just like, they don't natively speak English. They're just like, hey, you can just tell me in Spanish. I'll probably understand. But some they just don't want to.
Oh,
they're on the phone. What happened?
I didn't mean to deconstruct the whole thing.
Yeah, it does the whole thing. That's one thing I don't really like.
All right, come over here. Come over here. Should wait.
Mm-hmm.
Dive elevator.
Mm-hmm. I go deep.
Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh.
The view in here is fucked.
I'm gonna drown.
Nice. You're so soggy.
Yeah.
Soggy little bread.
They could print me a new body, a new shell. Like Martin.
Fuck, what a view. You can't really see anything, but it's kind of breathtaking.
Of course it's breathtaking, asshole. It's underwater. You can't breathe
Shut
there.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I'll kill you.
The famous line of the drifter says, "I'll fucking kill you."
I'll fucking kill you.
We'll go find more quartz and get more blueprints for us.
Yay. Oh, there's glass on the floor. Oh.
Don't step on it.
Beacon.
Oh my god, I hate the nibblers so much. It just yoinked a bubble from me.
The nibbler. Wakemaker fragment. I'm gonna read the databank entries I found. Survival guide. Until your contact with a colony or cicada is restored, your survival is in your hands. Sync with the nearest biobed. Review fabricator blueprints. Pin basic equipment such as the survivability tool, whatever. Find source of water. Scan everything you see. Fabricate mobility equipment. Fabricate habitat builder tool. Be alert for updates from your noetic advisor. As a pioneer, your goal is to build a future for humanity on this world. 40,000 sleeping colonists are counting on you. When in doubt, fall back to your training. Chap. Pressure tolerance. At 100 meters below the surface, the pressure on your body is over 10 times what it is on land, like an elephant standing on every square inch of you. Humans must breathe air under equal pressure, or the lungs cannot inflate. This carries severe risks. Below 40 meters, the nitrogen in the air becomes narcotic, causing impaired judgment, delirium, and anesthesia. As pressure increases, oxygen becomes toxic, causing tunnel vision, tinnitus, vertigo, and convulsions. Each additional 10 meters of depth increases the pressure by 1 atmosphere. Breathing normal air at 600 meters and 60 atmospheres of pressure is fatal. The extreme pressures force gas molecules in the body's tissues, saturating them like a soda and disrupting their necessary function.
Soda?
Deep sea organisms produce a molecule called TMAO, trimethylene N-oxide. TMAO is a stiffener for water molecules, helping them hold their shape against pressure. Adapting your body to produce this stiffener will reduce the rate of gas saturation. Allowing your body to... That's the fucking notes again! Adapting your body to this stiffener will reduce the rate of gas saturation and allowing your pioneer nanomachines to clear up the fatal fizz as fast as it develops. This adaptation will result in long-term liver damage, but the consequences fall beyond your current survival horizon. This adaptation will also prevent trimethylnuria, a condition in which seafood diet can lead to a powerful fishy body odor. Oh. Life in this unknown ocean shares its basic genetic code with Earth. The DNA letters coded for amino acid words, which are joined into strings like sentences to create proteins. Pioneers can also look forward to familiar delights such as sugar, starch, fat, and alcohol. However, this world's genetic code uses different words for amino acids, creating waxy and metallic proteins. Human stomach enzymes cannot digest them. Undigested mass builds up in the intestines, causing indigestion, intestinal blockage, starvation, and gout. The field adaptation allows your digestive tract to secrete alien enzymes built with human chemistry. Borrowing these enzymes bypasses the need to design a synthetic equivalent, allowing you to proceed with the mission. The chances of your digestive tract digesting itself are minimal.
Oh shit! Fucking shit.
I need to pull up the fucking
ornaments. The fucking orb at the end of the hall.
I need the orb. Yeah, the orb at the end of the hall.
Yeah, like back here, like it's dark back there, so I just like, turn around to see an orb staring at me.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it?
I'm gonna send a video in. What the fuck? Why is there a punny with nipples out?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
I was gonna send a cat video in the voice channel chat. And I just opened it,
that's a
there's
TF2
bunny with
mod.
nipples out.
That's a TF2 mod.
Anyways, there's the video.
Okay, here's the goddamn
Tomatonator.
Here's the goddamn thing I was thinking of. These are the notes. These are the notes. I'm playing it on stream right now. Give me a second. It's loading. It's loading. These are the fucking notes. I keep fucking hearing them in the soundtrack in the background. In Subnautica. I keep fucking hearing them. Am I going insane?
No.
Does anyone else hear it? Yo, the ominous orb at the end of the hallway.
We got Wheatley in the corner.
I was gonna say something, but that would be bad for me.
What were you going to say, stupid?
I was gonna say something about like, why is he in the corner when he could be up my ass? But like, that's bad. That would like feed into the Wheatley fucker bit.
Because people want you to have Wheatley in your
butthole. They want me to have Wheatley in my butt. They want me to have Wheatley in my butt.
I just saw a video of a corgi laying down and it stood up just so that it could like flop over onto its side.
Yeah.
Black box unknown.
I wish I had a corgi.
Corgis are so funny. Quartz, titanium. I want to read about the clown crab. Ostraconschelos periscopian. The hard-celled periscope. A social crab that shelters among stinging anemones. Reduced body. The clown crab's single-segment body is an illusion. The multiple segments of other protean arthropods are still present, nested inside. When the crowd crab molts, it sheds its internal shells through its digestive tracts. Regenerative eye stalk. Enormous eye stalks mimic the surrounding anemones. If bitten off by a predator, each stalk is packed with unspecialized cells that quickly regenerate the missing eyes. If the stalks grow too long, the clown crab will trim them to avoid drawing attention. Anemone tender. The clown crab provides a valuable service to sessile anemones by ranging out to forage, returning nutrients in its molten waste, and grooms the anemone to clean parasites and infections. Fecund stalk. The third stalk behind the eyes is a reproductive organ. The same unspecialized cells used to heal the eye stalks become eggs or sperm. Yeah.
I just wanted to tell you that I saw a clip of a Venator who got hit by Drifters 2. You know, the one where you can like teleport behind you?
Yeah.
So he kicked a bear trap out and then stood in front of it so that when Drifter teleported behind him, he just got caught in the bear trap.
I want you to know that I ended up playing Deadlock with Faye last night, and we got into a match where everyone in the voice chat was doing like Family Guy impressions the entire game, and then we like won really hard.
That's awesome.
I ended up having like I ended up getting MVP. With I was playing Lash. I had 26 assists, 3 headshot kills, 3 kill streaks, 79k souls, and 89k player damage. Assessment: sign of a healthy anemone field. Conscript took allocated for Emery bad. Remark: a centipede. I think the PDA's got this thing's anatomy and reproduction completely wrong. I swear I've seen centipedes, a bunch of clown crabs linked up in a train. I think they grow as a single segmented organism, and then each segment splits off into its own crab, and then maybe they hook up again later. It wouldn't be the weirdest thing I've seen. Metadata author K. Wander Wangmo. Wow. Hammerhead. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. I'm honestly surprised how many of these like entries are already done. Hammerhead, tentatively Panoplia hammerhead, is an armored herd-dwelling territorial herbivore with a powerful ram. It challenges intruders on its territory, especially other hammerheads, displays its pectoral fins, and closes its enamel head shield before attacking. Jet propulsion. Sparkles behind the eyes feed into a jet channel with internal gills. The jet drives the hammerhead's sudden rams. Large brain. Floats in a protective cyst. The central eye sees color, while 2 smaller, motion-sensitive eyes guide ramming. Grazing jaw. The muscular vertical jaw suggests a diet of sponges, kelps, tunicates, and possibly crushed coral.
Definitely sound like you said a diet of cunt.
The need to protect the grazing area may have evolved the hammerhead's territoriality. Practice behavior. Hammerheads ram coral domes. The adaptive benefit is unclear, perhaps toughening their shields. Advise caution, especially when piloting vehicles. May have a social cognition comparable to Earth's ungulates, some of which are extremely dangerous to humans. Ramming areas called leks are a major source of ocean noise. 4i. Morocotiform duplex. A predatory fish always born in pairs of identical twins. The twins pair belly to belly, joining their digestive and nervous systems to behave as a single organism. Predatory individual. The individual's 2i are convergent with earthfish. Large mobile pectoral fins are suited to quick maneuvers, not cruising. Squashed eyes offer better vision upward. Individuals feed on smaller forage fish and hard-shelled crustaceans. Duplex team. 2 individuals paired into complete 4i through a pair of modified ventral fins, which evolved into sensitive structures similar to shark suckers. Repeating this phrase can help train vocal dexterity. The embryonic yolk stalk grows toward the forward sucker, allowing the joined pair to share nutrients. Nerve clusters in the sucker trigger each other through the skin, passing sensory data and motor commands. Separated individuals are prone to brief seizures, suggesting the nervous system is sensitive to external influence. Dynamic pairing. 4i's can unpair and repair at any time. When sexually mature, twins paired since infancy split up to seek out mating partners, forming new 4i's. Mated pair may be cross-sex with the male fertilizing the female, or same-sex, with both individuals cooperating to locate a mate or mates. Aggression. Oh, 2i yaoi. The duplex 4i is aggressive and willing to attack even larger species. It's unclear if this is a territory guarding strategy, a relic of some ancient group behavior, or even a form of youthful play. Solitude. Solitary 2i's may be ill or in mourning. Avoid.
That's gruesome.
The idea that they just kind of left.
Yeah.
Oh, one of them died. This enormous colony organism resembles a spinal cord protected by a thick crab-like shell. It extends beyond scanner range in both directions, growing through fractures in the seabed rock. Hollow interior. The interior of the bore contains at least 2 large flooded channels, one strikingly radioactive. Oh. The ancestral storm may be a pyrosome, a sea squirt. Poor health. Most of the zooids in the boar are dead, leaving only a mineral skeleton and hydrocarbon polymer shell. The internal channels have clogged. Unknown metabolism. The boar has no apparent food supply. It may have derived chemical energy from minerals, but if so, bacterial symbiotes have fled. It is starving. Viral activity. The surviving tissue is infected with large RNA virus similar to earthly giant C viruses.
Yeah, what
The boar's anatomy includes the receptor sites that encourage viral infection and reproduction. Further analysis is required. Suspect entirely unknown organism. Investigate further, determine the origin and ecological niche.
Oh.
Sponge coral moiety. Wow. Ribbons of tissue, plasticized skeleton. I'm just gonna kinda skim over that. Necroli. A clonal stock of large jellies, similar to Earth's Startomedusa. Each jelly remains moored to the stalk rather than maturing into a free-swimming medusa. Enormous side and hunger, rather than where did you fucking scan this shit, dog?
Huh? Oh.
Feeding on prey to Necroli.
I'm by the void.
Necroli gathers dead matter from the seawater. The size and height of the stock are directly related to the rate of death and the decay upcurrent. Acid yielding metabolism. The Necroli have adapted to low oxygen saltwater. It ferments collects a central basket stomach, a process which requires no oxygen and yields strong acids. The Necroli concentrates these acids around its eggs as a defense. Assessment: large numbers of Necroli in the region indicate a bloom, a population explosion caused by a flood of nutrients. This is a poor sign for the health of the ecosystem and perhaps for the state of the global climate. Produces egg clusters that can be processed into a strong acid. Where did you find them bitches, dog?
Over here, like northwest.
The
giant like jellyfish thing.
Seek fresh water intake.
I love you, little crabbies. I love you.
I'm like, I wonder how far this little forest thing goes, and I look in the water again. I'm like, oh, I'm void.
Is it north that the tree is?
Like where
northeast. Can we even reach the tree?
No. There's something that prevents you from going there. You need a biomod for that.
Interesting. What's up, you little freaks? I'm gonna kill you. Fuck off. My fish.
But I just got DM saying steals all your titanium.
No. We need that.
Oh, new fish. BFJ. Oh.
BFJ?
Jellyfish.
The behemoth finger-like jelly, a massive specimen with no earthly analog. Jelly-like body plan. Even the largest terrestrial jellies are anatomically simple, with gelatinous bell, a central stomach, and tentacles. By contrast to BFJ, an acronym for behemoth finger-like jelly, has complex organs and a sophisticated nervous system. Most of the BFJ's volume is occupied by gas bladders, controlled by a net of distributed nerves and that automatically regulate buoyancy. Ah, I'm starving. I'm making a salad.
Oh my god, can these nibblers please leave me alone?
Chirimoya chutney?
Rectangular string light. Oh, that's a base right there.
Don't be exploring everything without me, dog.
I was trying to look for more copper and I just ended up somewhere else. Ow. I so wish I could kill the nibblers, but the devs remove that for right now, I guess.
The nibblers?
Yeah, you can only like smack them away.
Contact, something large is moving nearby. Was that you?
No, that's crab.
Crab?
Crab.
Crab? Yeah, but like, was that around you is what I'm saying.
No, I didn't get it.
Crab? Crab?
The rules are simple. Keep the perimeter sensors on alarm, no matter how many false positives you get, and do not go out alone. They are hunting us. We don't know why. Someone made a mistake a long time ago, and we have to live with it. The damn thing is, maybe it was one of us. Maybe they see us and say, look, it's that soft criminal, back from the dead again. Let's get the freak. And we don't even remember what we did.
Already the Lucifer rot sack.
No.
You're fucking exploring everything without me.
I'm sorry.
You're getting all the audio logs without me. I don't even know what they're talking about.
Oh, just a little bit of shipwreck, that's all. There's nothing there, just a flashlight. Hi.
Hello. I need this.
Oh, perfect. I have a lot of those on me, so.
Oxygen.
Dunk, dunk.
Usually when you head towards the void area, it's like, oh yeah, so there's nothing here. But if you want to explore further, go ahead and then just revive more. Okay,
oh
no,
boy.
Fine.
Rubber.
Good news, Lovely. You can now make fins. Well, you can make fins.
I was already doing that.
Caloric, like.
We need silver to get an air tank.
Yeah. I'll try to remember where silver's at, which I think is by that destroyed base I saw.
Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Ruby.
Ruby and R, lead pilot. Partial voice data retrieved.
Hey! Umala! Uh-oh.
Marrow breach roar?
To the cicada. Before you were scanned into storage,
Ruby.
Ruby kept maneuvering the shuttle wildly, and then apologizing to the passengers. I don't know how you felt about it. Personally, I was charmed. She finds her work intoxicating, and that's what life is all about. Loving what you do.
Noah is like weirdly supportive. You know? You know what I mean?
It's like ChatGPT. It's like, oh, what? You want to do this? Sure, go ahead.
He shared his account so you could play games. It's technically not. It's technically against the rules, but like you're cool. Look at this big guy. Look at this big guy. Look at this big guy. Hey pal. I want to touch you. Is this a crash you already explored?
I don't know.
Dragon scale coral.
Oh yeah, that's the one where the audio log was at. It was on the side.
That's what I fucking thought. Oh hey, that's... Oh, this is what we already went to, right?
I lost your dot.
This bitch.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, to eat.
Scan angel comb.
This life form is a biological antenna. It archives useful genetic material in its core as it matures, making it a perfect gene donor.
You want to
Why
explore
do
this
that?
bait?
Whoa, nibbler mango.
Well, there's 4 of them.
I'm trying to scan them.
Abandoned colony structure partially disassembled.
There you go.
Wreck diving may lead to disorientation, asphyxiation, and print loss. Be sure you are prepared to die usefully.
Whoa.
Try to die usefully.
Scan painted tree. We got a new poster. There's bunk beds here. Macaron sponge.
Scanner station. Oh, that's like the
Dining chair.
Hindu.
Okay. Black box.
Firebed.
Tuba. I'm trapped by a marrow breach. I don't have any flares. I'm not getting eaten. The cook will not be eaten. I'd rather run out of air. Habitat's gone. Chap blasted. He blew up the beds. Some of us made it out with Ganzo. I'm sorry, Ganzo. I said I was going back to Habitat, but I'm going to find the Jubilee, and I don't think they can feed you all. I'm sorry, man. I left you. I don't know where I'm gonna reprint. I don't know what I'll remember. Look, if I find this, the Jubilee went south to the cave where the crabs die. Do you understand? The cave where the crabs...
Oh shit, is that a different nibbler? Oh, that's a marrow breach. Come here, I want to scan you. I want to scan you, fuckhead. Ouch! Dining table unlocked. Dining chair. Arco has been reprinted. Oh no. Oh no, Arco.
Oxygen.
I was shrub in.
Welcome aboard.
We can make a biobed now. And the scanner station. We need more copper. A wake maker. Silver, wiring kit, grease, and basic battery. Flashlight. I need a battery. We need more copper. We need so much more copper. We need 1 billion coppers. Hmm. 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 I've seen a bunch of copper in caves around here. Gross, yucky sponges. Copper. What if it grows back? Oh, listen to their little noises. What's on there, I wonder? Titanium. Evil ass copper ore. Evil ass copper ore. Oh, this goes down. Where will this take me? Okay. Yay. Can I scan these? No. Or Wakemaker fragment.
Kurultai record day 620. Sophie Boucher entering. Anita Gottschall and 5 others left Habitat in protest of my decision to end medical treatment for the sick. They call themselves the Jubilee. They are going to move back to Camp 1 for now. Anita claims her group can live in the open sea. She believes the planet is trying to give us what we need to survive through the angel combs. I insisted on giving them physicals. They are lucid and rational. No worse off than the rest of us. I can't prove that they are leaving because of Macefield. I can't convince Anita that she is in the thrall of a virus that compels her to the tree like a rat whose parasites drive it into the cat's jaws. I asked Noah not to reset them when they die, but I suspect it will anyway. Everyone will blame me. Well, so be it. I must ask Nahima what will happen to the ecosystem if the Jubilee group eats everything. Damn it. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn!
Oxygen. What are you? Sand spear. It doesn't sound like something I should be getting close to. It's a neat little cave. This way to L. It's not really an L anymore, is it? I did kind of change. Ah! I did kind of change his shape a little bit. Titanium.
Oxygen.
Fuck off, Four Eyes. We.
Welcome aboard.
Titanium. I will make copper wire. I do need a new battery. Amphora sponge. Biobed. We can go back now. You know what? There. Build area obstructed. What do you mean? Room. What the fuck was that noise? Oh. Oh. This is cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I want to get rid of that. System chip unlocked. What do you mean? System chip. Whoa. Alright, hang on. There we go. Look at those fucking things.
The Wakemaker is a marine adaptation of the Spacemaker EVA thrust pistol system. Travelers should be careful to rest their wrist, elbows, and shoulders during prolonged use.
Come on. Make me some glass. I didn't mean to make that much. Oh no. I didn't mean to make that much. Yeah. Fuck yes, dude. I love my windows.
Oh my god, I realized I was muted this whole fucking
Yeah,
time.
you were muted this whole time.
I was like, oh, 11, look, little doohickey on the ground.
Doohickey. Yeah, and then I was too focused on the windows.
Wait, I'm making 2 air tanks.
You found silver?
Yeah, that's how I was able to make the thing.
Whoa.
There's a deep cave.
Deep cave. Look at these fucking things. These are crazy. Zoom.
Also, I wasted all the silver we had for this stuff.
It's okay. I mean, like, it's a good use of silver. It'll get us more silver.
The cave is over here.
I'm a dolphin.
Should I get some air real quick if you need some?
If you get an air bladder, you can suckle on it.
Get to the bottom and follow the green.
My green.
There's a little air pocket right here. With big copper.
Hashtag my green. Big copper. Big copper. Cabbage shoot root. Can we like take these to farm them?
I don't know.
Fishie.
Limestone is formed by the death of coral. Each plateau in this region
Hey, water.
once housed tens of billions of living things.
Oh, what the?
Dangling self.
Big crab.
Big crab?
Yeah.
Yo, big crab. Jetocaris. It's a tripod. Cool. Copper. Cave diving scaly.
Silver is a
I'm about to
main
drown.
feedstock for electronics.
Oh, there's a little base here. There's a little base. Oh, please. Oh.
Where the hell are you at?
Over here. Oh.
I found a different entrance by accident. I'm coming.
Hi.
I could just punch the titanium. Holy shit.
You can do it with almost any tool. Oh, what the?
Yeah, but I just like beat the fuck out of him with these things.
Repair tool. Oh, my beloved.
Wow, habitat builder. Biobed. I already made one of these. Wait, I didn't actually put it back down in the base.
Oh.
Never mind.
Oh, you get inventory right here.
Oh.
You click on this thing.
Tool
I
quick
think.
access improved.
Wow. I get one extra inventory slot.
Welcome to my special clinic. The metal is giving everyone tremors. Sophie
Doesn't
says
seem to go
don't
for
treat it.
green.
I need a clear timeline of nerve breakdown. say
He's
I
gloop.
cannot afford clumsy workers. This bed will reprint you with improved fine motor skills and muscle memory. No more fumbling around for your tools. It will delay the symptoms for a while. Just don't tell the boss. Let's help her pretend she doesn't know.
Whoa.
Okay, I have more silver. Silver's like copper, but just not silver. Very pointy.
Yeah, alright, dude. Yeah, man. It sure is.
I'm dying. I'm a little underbaked today.
We could have put you back in the oven. And that's definitely not a euphemism.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, silver.
No, I'm pulling silver.
30 seconds.
Seeing all the titanium just spin out of your inventory.
What? I can't carry all of it.
I know, but it's like you're just like grabbing, just spin in the water like a Beyblade.
There's a lot of copper here. We need to come back.
Oh, there's an air pocket here.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I'm gonna drown.
It's just right there, dog. I'm saying dog is like a regular word, but to you it's real.
Dog but real.
Yeah, dog but real.
Fish and eat it. You.
Dog but real. We should get a beacon to mark that little cave area, so we can come back to it later. Because I will forget where it is. I will forget. What is that red?
Wait, do we even have enough for the beacon?
Do you see that red?
30 seconds.
Oh, red. Where?
The bright red on our base. Oh no, that's from when I was building it. Okay. That's the part that isn't valid.
I just see it going from me.
Yeah, now you see it.
The ominous red square.
Ominous red square. That's the fucking notes again. It's a little bit off, but it's enough to like trigger my pattern recognition and make me cry a little bit. You know what I mean?
No one knows what you're talking about.
I posted it in the stream voice.
Magnet accessor? No.
Seek caloric intake.
Fuck.
No, message failed load. Channel's on your channel list.
The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Room. I'm just gonna make it big and square instead of whatever the bullshit I was trying to do before. Because now I can put that there. And then if we make one more copper wire, we can have that other one as yours. There. Beacon. Go ahead. Ah! Scary. Lost River poster. Oh shit, check this out. That's awesome.
Hold on.
Borko, look at the posters in here.
Fuck, I wish we could sprint. Ooh, Lost River, yes.
These are cool as fuck.
Lost River was like the last place I was at in Subnautica, and I just stopped playing.
There we go. We may need more solar panels.
Yeah, I mean, we have plenty of quartz. And then we run out of quartz. Oh my god, you have this many and it's not enough.
Yeah.
Okay,
at least during the night. Because it's using up 12 to do our thing, and we're gaining 16 at night. You know?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Now it's using 13. There we go. That's nice. Window.
Now, there's a certain area your items can reach. Oh.
Window. Hi, Milky. How's it going? This will be the centerpiece of this room.
Oh, I'm eating him.
Tubby time. Come here, Milky D. How? Scary water game. Yeah. One that just came out.
Ow. Ow. I'm cutting into little slices.
Yeah. I'm cutting it into little cubes so I can make croutons.
Fuck, croutons actually sound good.
I'll make croutons out of you yet.
I just started eating myself.
Do you think people who are into candy gore will eat themselves?
Probably.
They're just gonna like be like, oh fuck, dude, I'm made out of gummy worms.
Fuck, I'm so hungry. I'm starved to death. Chomp's part of their hand.
Chomp.
Much better.
That's so much better. What the fuck is that noise?
Hmm?
Did you not hear it?
No.
Fuck.
Let me guess, was it the whale noise?
Kind of. We need system chip and a wiring kit. to make the scanner.
I'm back.
Hey,
Welcome back.
I can make the wiring kit. Oh, I need to make another wiring kit. System chip, wiring kit. There we go. Now I can
Scary
make
water
the
game.
now I can make the scanner station.
Oh my god, no one wants to speak to me. What is it, your
What is it, your
Quaker? Oh,
Look at this.
Quaker. Oh yeah, it's like the scanner room.
Lithium.
But, better.
Altera bases.
No, we're gonna run out of power right now.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, and then the cool thing is that whatever you pick, you can pick whichever one you want, and they'll ping it.
Oh shit, hell yeah. You used to have to
Nice.
get like an upgrade for that.
Lithium. There's
Hey
one
Gotcha, I know
smelting
you're busy
lithium.
right now, but we should play support Turning Point USA on Roblox. No! No!
What?
What? No! Hang on, I'm gonna do this.
Oh yeah, I heard the whale.
Oh shucks, it's fucking over. It's all fucking over. Oh shit, hang on. I have to turn it around, I forgot. There we go. That's a nice little room indentation there. What do you think? What do you think, Porco?
No, the shape of
I'm
it.
hashtag heading over to phase stream now. Toodle pip. Oh, see have a good time over there, okay? What's she playing? You know?
Oh, that's actually nice. Just wake up from my pod and I just see that peek around from the corner.
Yeah.
And the things you could rotate.
No, this is
slightly.
my pod. Hashtag my pod.
Oh,
Your pod's over there.
okay.
Or is it just we only actually need one?
I think we just need one.
Fuck. Well, that one's yours
Oh, well.
lore wise. We're just gonna say that one.
It's the toaster oven for me.
Yeah, you got a little toaster oven over there. I need 1 billion glass.
Did you finish up all the quartz?
Yeah. It's all gone. It's all gone. It's all gone.
Alright, I'm gonna take a locker with me.
I wonder. We can make the rooms double tall, but I don't think we have ladders yet.
Do we not? We do not. Okay. You know, there's one base that has a ladder in it.
Advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
I think it's. Yeah, it should be Quaker that has the ladder.
I've located Lucretia Kapoor, the mission's AI
Oh, we're gonna have an
ethicist.
ominous red
You may
cube from
find
the
your final
distance.
words troubling. I certainly do.
Noah, do not open the Seacocks. Noah? Acknowledge, please. Do not.
She often asked you to resume your stories when you were interrupted. She made eye contact when she spoke. A considerate woman, and not easily frightened.
Scowy. Okay, where was the... The deep cave? I'm bringing a storage locker over.
No.
We need 1 billion copper. Youch! Yowie!
God.
Is this it? Over here? I think that's it. I think that's it. Right there. Not here.
This is a completely different area. I think it was over.
I forgot to actually empty this before I took it.
Oh.
Duh. I'll go put it back.
Alrighty. I'll find more cords.
I'm gonna pick up a few things I can find along the way. Beacon. I'm trying to think of what the instruments they use in this song, this track remind me of. Is it RimWorld? Am I thinking of RimWorld? There was some other game that used similar instruments.
Subnautica?
No. Dude, look at this freak. I think I just accidentally catapulted the storage box away.
Oh. Oh. As I went to check the stream, I saw it get launched.
I need this fish. I need this fish.
Crate.
Give me this fish. Is it even a real fish? I don't think it's even a real fish. That's fucked up. Where'd the storage locker go? Oh no.
30 seconds.
Somewhere towards the base.
Welcome aboard.
Oh, quite. I too have to get fish.
Does it sink?
That's what's cool. No, it normally floats wherever it's at. Bad things, it doesn't have like a ping thing on it.
I think it's just gone.
You sent to the void.
Yeah, it might have just been sent to the void. Oh no, there it is.
Okay, good. I was about to say, I want to go speak to Mr. Leviathan about it. Like, Mr.
It is kind of in the void.
Can I get my locker back, please?
I grabbed it though.
Give them nibbles and gnaws at me.
Welcome aboard.
There we go. Huh. I thought I fucked up really bad.
Why? What happened? What did you do this time?
I was saying I thought I fucked up really bad by throwing that fucking locker into the distance because I had 2 first aid kit and 3 nutrient blocks.
Oh, I found deep cave.
Deep cave.
I'm going to build the beacon.
The beacon? You know what? I can just take 4 titanium and like swim there fast and then build the little portable locker.
Fuck, I need copper for it.
Well, good news. There's copper in that cave.
Alright, copper acquired. Now to escape this cave without fucking dying.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, pal.
Hi.
Yeah.
Portable locker.
My butt hurts.
Of course it does.
Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it?
Wee!
I did.
Amphora sponge.
Why does it say Beacon 0? I gave you a name.
Does anyone else hear the fucking notes? I'm begging. I'm begging and pleading and pissing.
Hello, Willow.
Wilbo!
Oh, mic muted. Hello.
Hi!
Hi. What are you doing?
Subnautica.
What wonders have you found underwater?
What is this?
Cave.
Cave. I'm going cave diving.
Oh, don't become one of those YouTube shorts where you're just a silhouette.
Don't worry. The Slim Reaper is gonna have to come get me. the regular ass Grim Reaper is not gonna fit.
It's just a worm with like a fishing hook as a scythe.
Why a worm?
I don't know.
Why is he a
I don't
worm?
know why.
Why is the Slim Reaper a worm to you?
Okay, don't think about it. Don't think about it too hard. We can make it a snake. That's also slim.
Why is the Slim Reaper a worm?
We can make it a snake. We can make it a snake. Don't question it. Don't think too hard, okay?
I'll question
I don't want
you.
Look, you don't need to think too hard right now. You're busy being underwater, studying the ecosystems. Yeah, exactly. Look at that guy. The Slim Reaper is a snake now. How about that? It hasn't even been a minute. I need this. I need the mulligan right now. It hasn't even been a minute.
immediate motion denied. I'm getting a fuck ton of silver here.
Yay!
I have 3 more slots in my inventory.
In your inventory.
I'm whacking the fuck out the copper.
You have 30 seconds for something.
30 seconds. That's my oxygen, you fuck.
Oh, I haven't played Subnautica before. Okay.
If you look, it says O2.
Oh, see, I don't know how to navigate the menu.
You don't know how to look at your HUD.
I don't know how to look at my HUD. Your HUD, I mean, not my HUD.
Bro really can't read. Hey, look at look at that.
Bro. That's a big thing. That's like.
You should watch the trailer. It's really ominous.
Amazing.
Look at that.
I'm looking at it. It's ominous too. It's very alien.
It's incredibly
Oh, you got
ominous.
Orco in.
I put my hand on it and it gave me its genetic material.
Oh, huh.
Oh, huh.
I don't know Subnautica, okay? I was thinking of buying it since it's like 90% off, but then
no, this is
number
Subnautica
2's
2.
out. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I was thinking of getting Subnautica 1 since it's like 90%
Yeah,
off.
there's also Below Zero.
But the Below Zero as well because it's very heavily discounted, but I don't know if I should since number 2's. Hi, pal.
These are the little guys that I was feeling maternal towards earlier.
You're feeling I sort of butchered that.
They're my
You're
little
feeling
babies.
The turtle towards?
Welcome
Oh.
aboard.
They hang out around the base that we made.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, yeah, I forgot Orko's in. Hi, Orko.
Barco is here.
Barco.
Bar-
Marco.
Barco.
Polo.
No.
Come on, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Select signal. That one. Look at that. Where's that? Black box, black box, black box, cave. There. Altera base. Oh, that's the one that we're like just directly next to. Doesn't matter. Range 300 meters.
Well, what are you even doing in this
Oh
game?
no.
Is
I
it